Bisi koi sida lakpa sisu threat mayam se thingnaraga lakpane nungaina lakpana tiaba koi apunba Manipur saktam gi damak koi si this sacrifice tawa
chahi ani tangkhai ge na Imphal thadoga anda lerak pasida valley CSO mayam singna taram na opti bagi lam ngai ba phawi lam pungning su lam nungsi amarom da khallaga kapsu kapningi
Diga bakar macet saya kita nak buat tiga mil orang
Sumaina cooperation inadi akoi Manipur sida peace dum hanjil lakani habisi ai achet ba thajabni
thado in Manipur gi representative da Imphal da community understanding gi matang da lapada lam ngai ba phawi lam pungning su lam nungsi amarom da khallaga kapsu kapningi chahi ani tangkhai ge na Imphal thadoga Manipur thadoga mapanda lerak pasida yumgi wakan khallaga leirambase asidi ai ekoi adu inpina home feeling ama toraga yam numaina mayam di Manipur valley CSO mayam singna taram na opti bagi yam numai ba koe adu kita ai isama NKLal adu inpi gi Manipur gi vice president ni ai nakta lebi ba bu James thado ne mana thado inpi Manipur gi president obini
Bisi koi sida lakpa sisu apaina threat mayam se thingnaraga lakpane yamna kariya sida nungaina lakpana tiaba adu asi koi gi personal benefits ki damak tiaba koi apunba Manipur saktam gi damak koi si this sacrifice tawa Imphal mak da tawu sisu yam wana tawi haita sida phajana freely natraga nungaina tawba ngamba matungda mathang dum lak 2 years of Manipur crisis matungda apaina sigi Manipur ki crisis matang sida before crisis ki Manipur ki situation Manipur ki condition amuk reinstall tongna ba khanlakba khanlakba policy si step da changsin ba yanana ba foina adum Manipur da leiriba sangsan mayam adum appeal tawbaga loinana asiki first step oina ngarang deke sida meeting series of meeting adum angkoe sida Manipur gi CSO mayam Manipur gi Maitai brothers and sisters singna akoi thadobo tram na o bilase yamna appreciate tawi sumaina cooperation inadi akoi Manipur sida peace dum hanjil lakani habisi ai achet ba thajabni despite this working or struggle adum Ministry of Home Affairs ki kusin haida sigi sida aina bhakta daba pin daba khalagi aidi buji se koi si very limited days ki daba visit lakne si manung sida koina series of meeting series of plan to reinstall the peace in Manipur sida maximum effort si pinini maximum contributions to ing bane adugo Ministry of Home Affairs ki instruction matungin na ai koi si particular places da adum confined to han basida ai koi na pangthok ka daw ba meeting mapanda pangthok ka daw ba meeting mayam se adum miss to na ngai condition da leire sisina akoi na sangchun li ba peace install to bagi thabak sida apan ba mayam pira sisina aina pindaba phungthok tabaga loina na moi ki real intention si kaino Manipur da peace lak pasi moina welcome tawdabra natraga welcome tawbat tahadi akoina peace install tawna ngai step local basing si central government amasung state government na support tawham thokra haibisi aina question si thamjaninge aduga loinana amukhanna ai ichin now valley ki CSO mayam aduga brother and sister mayam go ngamkhai leitna thagat jari haibidi moina fazana welcome tawbiraga akoina si manipur da peace install tawbaki work tawjaba phambasi yam nungai adubo aina haibukumna koi mark sida adum amuk men sida su kaisu problem legnatre adubo home ministry ki instruction makhada koi sida tip tak thambasi di pinjadi haibisena ngasi ichin now media house ki through da public da natraga government da central government amasung state government da thamjani bane.
As soon as after 2 or 3 weeks, within 2 or 3 weeks, manung sida another round of talks and another round of meeting will be performed in Imphal. And then, on that basis, we are Thado MP Manipur also preparing for a huge number of members to present in the meeting at Imphal. Thado MP Manipur is already positive. We want peace, and during 2023 we have a series of meetings with state agency and state media and state leaders. After that we have come a meeting with Making Alliance in Delhi, and a series of meeting. After a series of meeting, the result was how to say, result Hazarapati Koisigal Lapan.
Si Hanwaga Home Ministry ko unaga na meeting lai gato tumale.
Adugi plan di hojik makti electric.
Brother, marang din meeting agenda se kanino halay ko.
Community understanding ni. Aduga community after community understanding agreement will be even so to say sacred. But I don't want to expose, but time will come to expose it. The solution must be long three so understanding of agreement about the
In principle.
in principle. Adugo, the president na hai gum na kadau ka understanding le narrative. Understanding and peace is different. Understanding le narrative. Karigi koi bo baza ima market sing karai chat pagi ating ba thambi ra. Asige thampam oke sile ba koi na nasigi presta ajan ni se. Other than the next plan say according to the situation and according to the plan say amuk plan